What's up, chat? Today I'm carrying a team of people. Okay, okay. Bro, stop! Alright. As you can see, I do not have seatbelt on. And yeah, we need to win. Because winning would be fire. I kind of quit to earn money for a baseball bat. So yeah, I kind of quit Fortnite for a while. But today I'm playing it again. Last time I played it was like Wednesday or something. But yeah, I'm doing good, I think. I recently swapped to keyboard and mouse. I kind of cracked. Weird at the same time. Like sometimes when I panic, I don't lock in, but like, okay. Mammoths are fire. I made some shots this later on in that game. But are you serious? Good about apples. Are you serious, bro? Oh. Mom rotating that side. Okay. This is weird. I don't know why it's weird. Another mammoth from Skyrock. Double mammoth. Alright, yeah, screw it. I'm doing double mammoth. I don't know what. I'll just. Should I do 2 and 4? Okay. Alright, this is the weirdest challenge I've ever done. Oh my god. It was meant to be, bro. Double mammoth? Oh my god, bro. I don't wanna risk triple mammoth, because triple mammoth is weird. Oh, Guff. Guff, are you serious? Guff, are you serious, Guff? Please, I swear to God. Rez. Rez! There's a Guff on me! No! No! Alright, double mammoth actually might not work, guys. If I can't lock in and go get my mammoth pistols, I'm cooked. If there's a kid there, I'm actually... Alright, I think... Okay, I have my pistols. I'm okay. I might sell eventually, but I'm okay, bro. That's all that matters. Ammo? No sniper. No mammoth, bro. No mammoth ammo. I'm gonna cry. Alright, grapplers are overrated. That's my new thing. That's my new motto, bro. Oh my god, I'm getting shot at. How am I already getting shot at? I have no sprint, bro. How am I already getting shot at? Oh no. I'm actually cooked, bro. Chat. If I sell this game, I'm blaming you. You hear that, chat? You hear that? I want to take the AR so bad, bro, but I only have one shot in my mammoth. If I fail this, I'm doing a different game with Just give me ammo, bro. This is getting annoying. serious? Alright, I can't even do double mammoth anymore. What? Alright guys, double mammoth is overrated, but what's double mammoth? Oh, wait, hold on, I forgot to pop my big pots. Oh no, it's not a big pot. But anyways, I might have to. I'm just gonna stick this soon. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Is it too thick? It's gonna be too thick in like 40 seconds.
Augie, are you eating dinner, honey?
Oh yeah, I am.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah. Guys, Mom's already did that side. Guys, Mom's already did that side. When it's too thick, I'm dipping. Chug jog. Well, I didn't have the med kit before chug jog. Three, two, one. Oh, I still want it. Okay. I'm still leaving. Oh my god, sniper ammo, finally. This is the dumbest match of Fortnite I've ever played. Like, I haven't played Fortnite in a while, but like, I can't be welcome back with this dog crap, bro. God, just get me in the zone, bro. I have 0 kills. Oh my god. Are you serious? Buddy, where did you go?
Are you talking to honey?
Huh?
Oh.
I'm getting annoyed, bro. This game is sometimes annoying, bro. Oh my. Is this my... Oh my god, I can't click the button 5. I'm freaking mad. Alright, I have 1 kill. I said I was gonna carry. That's a good amount of months. I said I was gonna carry. So far, I'm not carrying. Also, I have small fingers, so that's why I use E for edit. And my bill binds are kind of weird. Like, 2 of my bill binds are on my freaking mouse. But, yeah. I need to actually use this double mammoth challenge, bro. This is getting out of hand. Okay, I thought there was like a random kid in here. Edit, apparently. There's a man. Oh my god. White. I'm blanking this guy, bro. Are you serious? To be honest, I might have to stop the double mammoth challenge, bro. Yeah. I mean, okay, once it gets to like 20 some players, sure, 20 players, I'll stop double mammoth. What? Alright, I'm crashing out. No, I'm not friending you. What? I don't want to get banned for teaming. What the heck? Alright, we're gonna drop a 20 bomb. I need something good to swap out like some heals, like ability. Okay, I'm by myself now. So that's very annoying. Alright, I got more metal. I've been filming for 11 minutes, bro. That's actually kind of crazy. WM, guys. WM. My aimbot kicked in now. Anyway. Oh my god, you're so bad. You edited my code. What? Alright, buddy, you hit me 94, bro. If you push this, I can't even blame you, bro. Why did I shoot? I'm chilling, guys. I'm not doing double mammoth. We need to win.
I guess I'll just tell Josh you're not coming over, yeah?
Hold on. Let's go, guys. I won my first game of the Star Wars season, which is gonna be it. But yeah, don't be using the chat and comment if you think I should go live sometime.